Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're starting a new video today on I think it's a 2021 Chevy Silverado 2500. It's Monday morning. There's a lot of people here getting some stuff done, so I got to be quick with this one. And I really don't know all the details yet, so I'm going to have to catch you up on that in just a minute. But I know for a fact that this truck is getting a 4-inch lift. It's a McGaughys. I see the boxes. We're doing some 22-inch G21 replica wheels, and I think we're doing 37 1250 22 Nitto ridge grapplers. So this ought to be a really, really nice build. I'm gonna get out and show you the truck real quick, and then we're gonna get started on it. It's funny how the seasons change. I'm still wearing shorts up here, and it's probably, I'm gonna guess, 50 degrees this morning. Time changes next week. The summer has faded away. Soon enough, everything's gonna be dead around here. All these trees are gonna be ugly again, and the lighting's gonna go bad, but it's part of it. You know, the springtime through the summertime is better for my content, and you will actually see it through the views. That's the crazy part of it. It looks better on camera, so more people watch it. Unfortunately, that's what we deal with, but it is what it is. Today the lighting is still good, and the leaves are still on the trees for now. This is a beautiful Silverado 2500. I'm not sure which color this was back in 21 or 22. I wasn't really into the trucks as much then as I am now, but I do love this color. It's kind of like a lava red, or like a dark red color. The truck does have the stock 20s on it. We are going to upgrade that to the 22s. I'm 99% sure it's the chrome ones. Hopefully it would match more on this truck if it was the chrome ones. Yeah, he's got some chrome accents. I'm sure it is the chrome. Stay tuned. We're about to get started on this video, or this truck actually. Should be a nice one. So, you know, there's some of those trucks that come through that just always look good. no matter how many times you do it or how many different colors of the truck you do or how many different versions of the same truck, with a 4-inch lift kit, some 37-inch ridge grapplers, and some 22-inch G21 replica wheels, something about these GM 2500 trucks just look better. This truck looks amazing. I'm about to get out of this truck and show you what it looks like and everything we did to it. So thanks for watching. So I don't know what I've been calling this truck in the video, like a 2021. The 21 to 23 body style looks about the same to me, so I just looked at the production date. This is a June of 22, so it could be a 23 model. Absolutely beautiful truck though. I love the way the colors go together. This red is beautiful. The way the sun hits it right now, it's perfect timing. Chrome bumpers go good with chrome wheels, so I don't really know why a lot of guys put, you know, all black wheel on a truck like this with chrome bumper. I don't really know why they do it. I get that you want black wheels, but you bought the wrong truck for it. So this truck looks perfect with chrome. I love the ridge grappler, the 37 1250 22. It looks amazing on there with that G21 replica. Good thing about this is if you do the McGaughys kit, it does not widen the track width very much at all, actually. So you don't have very much clearance in between a 1250 tire and a spindle. The good thing about that is these pieces never move further or closer to each other. So if you clear, you're clear. It's good. The McGaughys kit does not widen the track width in the front where Cognito does. So if you put a Cognito 4-inch on, he could have ran the 37 13 50 22 and dealt with a little bit of track width change right there, but he did not want to do that. So that's kind of really the selling point, I say, on McGaughys versus Cognito. They're so close in quality that we usually just have to say, hey, one widens the track width a ½ inch on each side and one doesn't. That's your difference. It's an amazing kit. I love the way it looks. Axle angles are perfect, next to perfect. They're better than they were from the factory, actually, so that's amazing. Truck looks really good. If you have any questions about this build, feel free to reach out. 678-994-9180 is the phone number up here. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Let me know what you think. I'm sure that the customers watch the video, so if you like the truck, give them a shout out.